the serpent's reign, and eye of the snake man.
A group of explorers deep in the jungle, led by Dr. Jonathan Serpentis, a brilliant herpetologist.
The Amazon rainforest, 10 years ago.
The explorer discovered a hidden cave, entrance partially obscured by thick foliage. Dr. Serpentis, driven by curiosity, enters the cave.
The ancient artifact, the source of power.
Inside the cave, Dr. Serpentis finds a mysterious ancient artifact, glowing with an eerie green light. As he reached for it, a snake statue atop the artifact comes to life and wrapped around his arm.
Our transformation are like any other.
Dr. Serpentis transformed into a monstrous half-human, half-snake creature, his eyes glowing with malevolent power. He struggles to control his newfound ability.
Dr. Serpentis is no more.
Dr. Serpentis emerged from the cave, now transformed into a formidable snake man with limitless power. His scales glistening in the moonlight.
To be continued. If you enjoyed this video, you need to subscribe my channel to get more video like that. Have fun.